Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Genesis G80 key fob. Start by locating the seam, gather a small flat tool, and work on a clean surface to catch tiny parts. Keep the fob buttons facing down so springs do not pop out. Use a plastic pry tool to avoid scratching the case, and set screws or clips aside in order to reassemble the fob accurately. Before you begin, confirm you have a fresh CR2032 battery and the right tools on hand. Lay down a soft cloth to protect the fob and keep tiny components visible. Use a plastic spudger when possible to reduce marks, and have tweezers ready for lifting the old cell. Keep the battery packaging handy to confirm polarity, and avoid touching the new battery surface with oily fingers to preserve life. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading while you wait during vehicle repairs, and it fits in a glove box for reference. It has crisp display and long battery life, which makes it handy for downtime between steps. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by releasing the mechanical key and finding the factory seam to gently pry the fob open. Carefully remove the old CR2032 battery with tweezers, observe the plus and minus orientation, and insert the new battery the same way. Reassemble the case by aligning clips and pressing until you hear a click, then reinstall the mechanical key. Finish by testing lock, unlock, and remote start to confirm everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.